Hi Sam. First I'd like to start off by saying, strangle me. And then I'd like to say, I love you. This is a balloon that my dad got me for Valentine's Day, and I love it. It is very special to me. And it's so pretty too. And, here goes the balloon. He got me this doggy. I don't have a name for it yet, but I love it. It's got a rose in its mouth, and it's got a bow on its neck. It is so cute. You can stick your hand in its mouth. It's pretty cool. But I love it, and it's really soft too. So yeah. Let's see. Yesterday, went to church, came home and napped, and then went back to church, and then went to Walmart, and hung out with some friends at Walmart for a while. And yeah, nothing has happened this day. I didn't get up until 6 p.m. And then I just got on the internet for a little bit, and then at 7 I watched the Veronicas on E! News, which was kind of disappointing because it didn't show them that long. But yeah, celebrity gossip. What do you think about Jessica Simpson gaining weight? Because I think she looks great, and I want to sue the media for making a big deal out of it. Yeah. Let's see. Dance. I'm going to dance. It's going to be epic. That was not supposed to happen. Yep. So, you might be wondering why I'm dressed like Ronald McDonald. My response is, I'm not. Can't wait to see your video. Love you. Hope I didn't break any of the rules.